Hey, welcome. In this video, we're gonna continue on. This is part 2 of Nuxt 3 server API tutorial. So in the previous tutorial, we talked about how we created an API and go there. We created this API here with server API. Hello. Now, if you read the Nuxt documentation, and the way this works, by the way, is make sure the port is right. This is a port 3001. So you go to localhost 3001 and you click that, and we should say API works. So that is this here. Okay, so Nuxt tells you they have this server, this file-based routing like this: test get post ts. So it's a way in which the method, the HTTP method, is in the file name, and based on that you can separate your methods, which works, and to be honest, it works well if you have simpler, like a simple simple endpoints. But so let's take a look at that. For example, let's say we wanted to say we have hello.ts here, but we're going to change this to hello.get.ts, and we're just going to change that name right here. We say this is a hello get endpoint. Let's call it hello get. Close this. Then we're going to make a copy of this. We're going to call this hello post. I'm going to call this hello post. Then we're going to make a copy and call this hello put. And we're going to call this hello delete. All right, so what we expect to see here is that when we use the get method on the hello endpoint, we should get hello get. And then if we use that, we use the post method on this endpoint, we're going to get hello post. And then if we use the the put, we'll get this, and then delete, and so forth. So let's try and look at that. We might have to restart the server. So let's go to Postman, and let's see what we get when we send a get request to this hello endpoint. So we say get hello get. See how that works? And then let's use the post endpoint. We get hello post. And then let's use the put endpoint. Hello put. And then delete. You get hello delete. And this works, so you can separate your files based on the methods, and that's how this works. It's pretty neat. It's good for small routes, but if you want something complex, you find out that it won't really work that well. But it works now. If you want to learn how to build complex routes, for example, like in this app here, we have a lot more complex routes because this is an authenticated application. It actually protects your API, right? And it's a beautiful app. If you want to learn more about it, just subscribe and get in touch. So yeah, and this is how this works. If you want a starter kit, I'm rambling today. If you want a beautiful starter kit that looks like this, like this, it has a home page, about page, contact page. It also has some plugins to help you learn how plugins work. In Nuxt, it comes with a layout, composable components, and TypeScript. Just to help you learn. If you want this, it's yours absolutely free. Just click the link below this video and you can get it. And it's my gift to you for watching this video and just to help you get started writing beautiful Nuxt 3 applications. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. But hey, if I'll be happy just as long as you click the link below and get your free starter kit. All right, I'll talk to you soon.